Savage Pony. And Flashlight. I'm gonna be reacting to Rarity's new patterns. I hope this doesn't scare the living snot out of me, like some other videos I've seen recently. There we go.
Video contains graphic content, such as violence, gore, and other mature elements that may be deemed disturbing to some audiences. Viewer discretion is advised.
This video was also suggested by Rainbow Dash, I think. Can I have a tea? Sweetie Belle?
Well, sis, what do you think? Aw, sweetie
Wow,
Belle.
some just like real characters.
I love you so much, little sis. I love you too, big sis. Oh, this is going on the fridge for sure. No,
Is there an
even
anime in it?
better. I'll put it next to my mannequins. It'll just shine like no other.
That's Guido. Hey, alright, Squee.
Now, who could that be?
Huh?
Another customer, perhaps?
Huh? Should I find George?
Hello. Welcome to Carousel Boutique, where each garment is chic, unique, and magnifique.
Really? Why do you talk with that closed? Why is he doing it too?
You're Rarity, right?
Rarity?
Why, yes, I am.
Why are you talking with that closed? Huh?
Well, darling, I read in Clothes Horse magazine that you're an upcoming designer, and I must say I am simply astonished with all the work you've been putting out. Why, thank you, Matt.
Uh-huh.
You see, honey, I'm a well-known fashion promoter from Canterlot,
Uh-huh.
and after seeing your article samples, I simply had to come down and meet you face to face.
Uh-huh.
Fashion promoter?
Sure.
Canterlot? Wait, does that mean you're...
I'm so sorry about that, everybody.
The name is Crystal Lenora, darling. Crystal Lenora?
Who the hell is Crystal Lenora?
I'm such a huge fan! Thanks, I get that a lot.
Sure.
Anyways, honey, I want
Sure you
to
do.
make me 6 unique designs for a
6,
new line
huh?
I plan to present to Fancy Pants. I guarantee that you'll shine all over Equestria.
Shy.
Of course, Miss Anora. I'd be honored. Oh, please, call me Crystal.
Do you have a sister named Math?
Oh, yes. Miss Crystal? Excellent. With that said, you have 3 days to complete all 6 designs.
Huh?
Come again?
Huh?
You see, Fancy Pants is scheduled to showcase these design samples from all over Equestria for his next big party, which is next week. So I hope it's not too much trouble for you. Oh, yes, of course. You can count on me. Splendid. Well, see you later, Miss Rarity. Thank you, Miss Crystal. Bye-bye. Oh, Sweetie Belle, did you hear that?
Why are you staring at the hooves?
But how are you going to make 6 different designs in only 3 days? You ran out of high-quality material with your last customer.
You're right. How am I going to make this happen? Oh, I know. Sweetie Belle, mind doing me a favor?
What is it?
If I remember correctly, you've been learning how to do magic from Twilight, right? Well, I need you to be a dear and go out and search for some more gems out by the
I
rock
don't
farm.
trust
Here's a book with
this.
instructions on how to perform a gem finding spell.
No
I don't
problem.
trust
I'll make
this.
myself useful.
You're always useful, Red.
Oh,
Sweetie
and take
Belle.
Spike with you. He can help you dig up the gems. Just be sure not to let him eat them all again.
Sure thing.
I should start drawing the blueprints right away.
What?
What?
The 2 plus 3 equals 7? I
Huh?
thought.
Wait,
What
What
was
time is it?
that?
is it morning
What?
already? Did I fall asleep?
Oh, good job, Reddy.
Oh, Celestia, I haven't done anything yet, and I only have 2 days
Good,
left.
good job,
Oh my gosh,
Reddy. Good job.
What am I gonna do?
Good job.
Rarity? What's wrong?
Good job.
Sweetie fell. I fell asleep while trying to work.
Good
And I
job.
haven't gotten anything done.
Good job. Yes.
Woe is me.
Good job. Good job, Reddy.
Calm down. I'm sure you'll figure something
What
out.
about the thing, Reddy?
If it'll help you out, I can go and find some more gems if you want. I've got a better grasp for that spell
He
now.
smells so
And I think I
nice.
can find a bigger amount than I did yesterday.
So nice.
That would be great. Thank you.
I like
Just try
that.
not to stress yourself
That's
out
a
too
good
much, sis.
sis.
Okay?
I miss Tweetabelle. But she never did it right.
I still don't have much material left. What should I do? Well, I could put something together from the cut fabric.
Compromise?
Only thing I'd have to
Conversation?
do is tie it all together.
Learn that.
Hey, Rarity. How's
Ah,
it?
what? What's Rainbow Dash doing in here?
Hi. What brings you here?
Huh?
Well, look. I know that you know I hate dresses, but I'm hoping to go to the wonderful charity luncheon in Cloudsdale in a few days. Think you could put something together for me, please? Something nice yet awesome at the same time? Oh, I'm terribly sorry, Rainbow, but I'm in the middle of a very big order. I have 6 dresses to make in only 2 days.
Sorry about that.
I see. Do you need any help? Oh, yes. I would appreciate that, actually. Can you search for some good-looking fabric lying anywhere in here? Sure.
Randy, what are you thinking? That's half the fandom for ya. That's most of the fandom. They only watch it for the blanks.
Oh, my. Her back
Yeah.
is so divine.
Yeah, you only watch it for
What was
this.
that?
You only watch it for this, do ya?
Nothing, Rainbow.
You
I
freaks.
was just, thinking to myself.
Doesn't mean you only watch it for our
Okay,
blanks.
then.
Sorry about that. See?
Hey, what are you doing?
Freak!
Oh,
Randy,
sorry, Rainbow.
I didn't know you were into that.
I
Keep it in the bed. Keep it in the bedroom, you freak.
Huh?
Keep it in the bedroom.
there you are, Rainbow.
Right now.
Everywhere for you. Oh, hey, Twilight. What's up?
Freaks.
I need your help with transporting a large
Fucking
cake to
weirdo.
town for Mirror's birthday.
Fucking
Think you
weirdo.
can give her some extra muscle? Sure thing. Tell her I'll be right there. Sorry, Rarity. Got a dash.
Why did that joke spawn?
Yes, of course. But can you come back once you're done?
Ah,
No problem.
can you run?
See you later.
Oops. 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 Sorry. Huh? 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 Why is there a knife and why is there blood on the knife? Why was there a knife?
Hey, Rarity. I'm
Huh?
back.
Lady?
Rarity, are you awake?
Lady?
Oh, Rainbow Dash! There you are. I've been waiting for you. What kind of friend are you for not coming back sooner? Whoa, whoa! Jeez, Rarity, relax! I'm here now, aren't I? Yes, of course. Sorry about that. I just got a tad impatient. Let's keep searching for that fabric, shall we?
trust this.
The cake as well. I mean, you should have seen it.
We don't trust this.
Who knew the mayor had such a sweet
I
tooth?
really don't trust this.
A sweet tooth.
I don't trust this. I should listen to that warning. I should listen to this warning. What am I going to get to? What am I going to get to? What am I going to get myself into?
Nice chaos.
What am I going to get to? What am I going to get myself into? What am I going to get myself into? What am I going to get myself into? Why should I look? I don't want to look. I don't want to look. I don't want to look.
You okay, Rarity? You seem rather quiet too.
Ready? Ready? Oh,
Rarity?
what the? It's just a cupcake.
I hope you don't mind me
It's
asking,
just a
but
cupcake.
can I sample some of your
The
fur?
fudge.
What are you talking about?
What the hell? Oh.
Well, since we couldn't find any fabric lying around, I think the next possible option would be to use your own fur for one of the designs. I figured you wouldn't mind since you're always loyal to your
Man, you
friends.
pulled a loyalty card.
What? My fur? Are you
Oh, wait, that's
insane?
later.
That's totally messed up, Rarity! Don't be so stubborn, Dash. Don't you know that Sherry,
Oh.
Carrie,
Yo. Oh, what did you do?
but I only have 2 days for this order. Since we couldn't find anything, I'll just have to make a new type of fabric. It'll be the highest quality material I have ever used.
Did someone make a role play out of this? You are messed
I
up.
must make these dresses perfectly. I must make sure they are as fancy pants as
Oh,
I can.
God.
I must.
Oh, God. It's just a cupcake. It's evil Dad's gonna die.
And I'm afraid there's
Why is it a fire axe?
as much material as possible.
Why did you get that?
Purity, please. Don't. Okay, 1 down and only 5 to go. You know, life really is.